Hello friend, let me to show our pressotherapy machine to show you the details. First, this type is jacket and with pants. This is light blue and also have other colors such as dark blue and pink. And on the jacket there are zippers to adjust the size according to customer size. On the pants there is 3 layers zippers also for the size according to customer size. And here inside the material is PU and waterproof. It is very high quality material. And also there is ice massage for ice relax and to relieve the tired. Different model and music and some other models. And for the installation, it is very easy because there is the labels number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, and here is 1 match 1, and there is a arrow, and it must be up. Then to insert to match this hole and insert it, make it tight. Then it's okay. And the other is same as this. Okay. And on the sides of this machine, and there is temperature 1, 2, and this side is temperature 3 and 4. Then we install this, and you can see the hole is different pins. This is 4 pins, and here is the 4 holes. And we should to attention. There is not a flag. This is a graph here, and to match there, and to insert it and to make it tight. Yeah, then it's okay. And other temperature labels cable is the same method. And this is ice massage for this. So the 3 pins to insert and make it tight. Yeah, then it's okay. And now we to turn on this machine to show the interface. We can see there are 4 languages: the English, Russian, Spanish, and Portuguese. Let us to English. Here is 4 different working mode. You can choose. Yeah, and here is pressure, strength. Can choose a different grade. But for the first time, we can use the lower for the first or second grade. Then you can adjust according to customers' feedback. And here is the working time. You also can adjust